subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and safe. I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a very interesting concept. But before starting it, let's all sing a slowly police song. So children, you all are ready? Let's start. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, thick, thick, thick. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, heavy, heavy, heavy. Roly poly, light, light, light. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, many, many, many. Roly poly, few, few, few. Roly poly, less, less, less. Roly poly, more, more, more. Yes, children. See here. Here, two different baskets. Yes or no? And that basket, one left hand side, so many fruits, and right hand side, less fruits. Okay, just see. Here, more food, left hand side, and less fruits, right hand side. Yes or no? So student, today we are going to learn about the concept of more and less. More and less. Children, now we have to identify in which side more cups and which side less cups. Let's see. We start counting from left hand side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 cups. There are 4 cups in left hand side. Now we count the cups on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Right hand side 3 cups and left hand side more cups, 4 cups. Now here left hand side more cups, MORE, more cups, and right hand side less cup, LESS, less cups. More, less, more, less. Right hand side more cups and left hand side less cups. Now see both the picture. Here the different types of objects. Here also same, both the sides. Now we will see the Which side is more and which side is less? First, we will start with left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 objects in left hand side. Now we will see the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand side 4 objects and left hand side 7 objects. Now left hand side is more than right hand side. ये left hand side more, M-O-R-E, more. In right hand side is less, L-E-S-S, less. Here more left hand side, less right hand side. Now we have to identify in which side more flowers and which side less flowers. We start counting from left hand side. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are left hand side 6 flowers. Now we count right hand side. 1, 2. There are right hand side only 2 flowers. Left hand side has more than right hand side. Now left hand side more, M O R E, more. Right hand side less, L E double S, less. More. Left hand side more, right hand side less. More, less. Now we will see the less examples related. Wow, ship. Now first we will count left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Left hand side and right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left hand side 4 ships and right hand side 6 ships. Now left hand side is less ships and right hand side more shapes, M-O-R-E, more, L-E-S, less. More, less. Left hand side less shape and right hand side more shape. Wow, butterfly. Very nice. Now both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, butterfly is there. Then we will count first left hand side. How many butterflies are there? Okay. Here. 1, 2. Left hand side. Only 2 butterflies are there. Now right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Left hand side, less butterflies there, and right hand side, more butterflies are there. Left hand side, less butterflies are there. Right hand side, more butterflies are there. Oh, lion! Now both the sides, so many lions are there. Now we will count which side is more lions and which side is less lions. Now first we will start left hand side. 1, 2, 3 lions are there in left hand side. Now we will count right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lions are there in right hand side. Left hand side 3 lions are there and right hand side 6 lions are there. Then left hand side less lions are there and right hand side more lions are there. Less, more, less, more. Wow, cake! You all of you love cake? Yes, very good. Now see, there is both the side candle is there. One side is only one candle and the another side is more candles are there. Now see, we will count. First we will count on left side how many, left hand side how many candles are there. Only one candle is there left side. And right hand side how many candles are there? Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are there. Left hand side only one candle is there and right hand side 5 candles are there. Now left hand side is less candle is there. Right hand side is more candles are there. Left side less, right side more. Less, more. Now you all of you understand with the help of objects. Now we will see the examples more and less related, the different types of examples. Now student, we will see the more and less. That time we will use this sign. Suppose that object is more, then we will use like that sign, greater than, and our object is less, then that time we will use this sign, less than sign. Now we will see related this, the examples. See here, this side is big. That's why the sign will come up like that. And this side is small. That's why the sign is go like that. Same. Now we will see the examples. Now all of you see these two objects. Here 4 taps are there in left hand side, and right hand side 3 drums are there. Now here 4 taps are there in left hand side. Then the left hand side is more than. That's why this sign come like that. More than. Okay, now understood? Because this side is less than. More than side is here. Because here how many taps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And right hand side only 3 drums are there. That's why the sign of more than come like that. Now see these two objects. Here 2 object is there, only 1 pencil and 1 scale. And here 4 objects are there. Pencil, scale, then 1 pencil and then 1 pencil. 4. Now we will see here which side is more, the left hand side or right hand side. Just we will count once again. Left hand side only 2 object is there, 1 pencil and 1 scale. And right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Now right hand side is more than left hand side. Then sign look like that. This is a sign of more than. The sign of more than. Now see here, both the sides pencils are there. Left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils are there. And right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils are there. Now the left hand side is less than the right hand side. Right hand side is greater than or more than the left hand side. Now less than, then how can we will do? Like that sign is coming, because the left hand side is less and right hand side is more or greater. M-O-R-E, more or greater. Now all of you see these two image. Okay, now you tell me, left hand side how many books are there? 1 and 2. And right hand side how many chairs are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very good. Now tell me, which side is more than and which side is less than? The left hand side is less than. Yes, very good. And right hand side is more than. Then which side, which sign is coming? Left hand side is less sign is coming. Right hand side is more sign. Like that. Okay, this side is come less than side and this side is come more than side. Understood? left hand side is less and right hand side is more objects. Now we will use this same sign with the help of numbers. Now the symbol, if greater than or more than number is there, like that example 10 or 3, these two numbers are there, then 3 is small or less number and 10 is greater or more numbers, then sign come like that. And 2 is less number and 6 is more number or greater number, then sign like come like that, because 2 is less than and 6 is greater than or more than. If the more than greater than number is coming or more than number is come, then sign comes look like. If the less than number is coming, then sign come look like. Understood? Now we will see the example of with the help of numbers. We will see first the less than sign. Okay. Now left hand side is 9 number is there and right hand side is 5 number is there. Now see here, 5 is less number and 9 is more number. 5 is less number and 9 is more number. Then the 5 is less than 9. 9 is greater than 5. Now less than sign come like that, because 5 is less than 9. Now see here, the example is given less than sign. We will use. Okay. First, my left hand side which number is given? 2 number is given. And my right hand side which number is given? 5 number is given. Then tell me which side is less and which side is more than. 2 is less than and 5 is more than or a greater than. Now the sign come look like that, because 2 is less than number and 5 is more than number. Now you tell me the second example. My left hand side which number is there? 1 number. Yes, very good. And my right hand which number is there? 3 number. Now tell me student, the which side is less than and which side is more than? Yes, the left hand side is less than and right hand side is more than. The less than sign we will use. Now the sign will come look like that, same, because this left hand side is less than. That's why the sign come look like. Now we will see the more than sign how can use. First example 9 and 5. Now student, tell me my left hand side which number is there? 9 number. Yes, very good. My right hand side which number is there? 5. Yes, very good. Then tell me which side is more? Yes, the left hand side is more than and right hand side is less than. Then 9 might look like sign come like that, because 9 is more than 5. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now we will see the another example. Now you tell me my left hand side which number is there? 8. Yes, very good. And my right hand side which number is there? 6. Yes. Now tell me which side is more and which side is come less, and more than sign is coming which side? Left hand side or right hand side? Yes, left hand side, because left hand side the number is more than and right hand side number is less than. Now our sign comes look like. Yes, now you all of you understood? Okay, very good. Now student, more than sign once again we will use. Now tell me, here 3 example is given. Now you are tell me the answer. Okay. Now see here. First, my left hand side, which number is there? 3. And my right hand side, which number is there? 5. Yes, very good. Now tell me the more than side, 5 or 3? Yes, very good. 5. Then my sign come look like that. Now tell me the second example. My left hand side, which number is there? 10. And my right hand side, which number is there? 7. Now student, tell me 10 is more than 7 or 7 is more than 10? Yes, 10 is more than 7. Then because 10 is more than 7, 7 is less. Now my sign is comes look like. Now last example, left hand side 4 is there and right hand side 6 is there. Yes, very good. Now tell me which number is more and which number is less? Yes, very good. My left hand side 4 number is there. That number is less number. And my right hand side 6 number is there. That is more number. Now our sign look like come. Yes, very good. Now I hope you all of you understood how can use the sign also more than and less than, and how can you have to identify with the help of objects. You enjoyed the topic less and more? Okay, so let us revise the concept with the help of more examples. Now student, tell me which number is less. First, on left hand side, 2 numbers are there. Here, let's see. 3 number is there and 4 number is there. Now tell me which number is less, 3 or 4? Quick, fast. Yes, very good. 3 number is less number and 4 number is more number. Now my right side also 2 numbers are there, 5 number and 8 number. Now you tell me which number is less, 5 or 8? Yes, very good. 5. 5 is a less number and 8 is a more number. Now student, tell me which number is more. Left hand side 2 number is there, 2 and 5. These 2 numbers are there. Now tell me which number are more. Yes, very good. The 5 is more than 2 and 2 is less than 5. Now my right hand side 2 numbers are there, 7 number and 3 number. Now you tell me which number is more. Yes, very good. 7 number is more than 3 number, and 3 number is less than 7 number. Now all of you see these two numbers. One rectangle is 2 number is there, and another one rectangle 2 numbers are there. Now tell me, which number is more? Yes, 3 number is more, my left hand side, and 1 number is less. Now my right hand side, tell me which number is more and which number is less. 5 number is more and 2 number is less. Very good, all of you. Wow, dairy milk. Now student, tell me, my left hand side 2 dairy milks are there, and my right hand side 4 dairy milks are there. Now tell me, which side is more than? Then we will use the sign also. Yes, my right hand side is more than left hand side. Then my sign come look like. Very good. Now student, see here. We will count and write more and less. We will see here two examples, two objects are there. First 1 and second 2. Now we will see first one. 1, how many the objects are there? We will count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will write down here more or less. Now tell me, first one, more or less objects are there? Yes, very good. More. M-O-R-E. Yes, very good students. Now tell me, second one, only 2 objects are there. Then here what come? More or less? Very good. Less. L-E-S-S. Now student, activity time. Activity time. Now student, your turn. Activity is there. Which side is more? Color that side picture. This side is more or that side is more? Left hand side is more or right hand side is more? Which side is more? You all of you color that side picture. Understood? Now do the homework. First, count the number of objects and circle the lowest group. Lowest group means small group, less groups. Which is a less group? You all of you circle that group. Understood? This do in your maths notebook. Now one more homework. See here. Here direction. Compare each pair of numbers and write the correct equality sign in the middle. All of you see these two numbers. Example 1 I explain. Here all of you see. Here 2, here 8. Which number is greater than? All of you use that sign. And which number is smaller than? All of you use that sign. Understood? And this homework also do in your maths notebook. Thank you.